Um, you know, we did see yesterday, and we were talking about it during one of the breaks, Matthew. We were talking about the messages that were recorded on these recording devices. And we did hear some important testimony come out through this. Most importantly, perhaps, is that the defendants knew that this car they said, at least according to the transmissions, the car that they said they had stopped later at 10:30 at night, Mr. Green's car, hunting for the alleged stolen vehicle, had been found at 6:10. I mean, it seems to undercut what one of the defense lawyers made a point of mentioning in the opening.
Right. It would appear that the prosecutor went up on the defense by exposing what's called in New York a consciousness of guilt, and that's a blockbuster charge. If you, when the jury's going to get the case, you fight over, typically, a defense and prosecutor as to what the jury will be charged. One blockbuster charge, which is very damaging to a defendant, is if the judge were to say something along these lines. If you find that the defendants in this case tried to cover up or tried to do something that evinced a consciousness of guilt, then you can conclude thusly. And
so it's more than bad. It's terrible if they can make it stick.
It's a blockbuster charge. The jury hears that, and right away it's coming out of the judge's lips. Right away they're thinking, oh my God, I mean, the seed's been planted. These guys knew, not only did something wrong, they knew they did it wrong, and they knew they weren't going to get away with it, so they tried to cover it up after the fact. If they really made a mistake, if they really were scared for their lives, if they really beat him because they were in fear, why try to cover it up?
Yeah, it's a sort of